If you want to import photos in Lightroom Desktop, especially the cloud version in 2026, this video will walk you through the fastest and easiest ways to do it. Whether you're bringing in a few images or an entire folder, I'll show you exactly how to import them properly, where they go, and what to do if something doesn't seem right. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Lightroom tips and editing guides. Let's start with the quickest method, which is drag and drop. First, open Lightroom Desktop on your computer. Then open the folder where your photos are saved. Select the images you want to import, click and drag them directly into the Lightroom window, and drop them in. That's it. Lightroom will begin importing them automatically. This is the fastest method because there are no extra menus, no extra steps, and it works great if you already know exactly which files you want to add. Now let's look at method 2, which is using the Add Photos button. This is a little better if you want more control over what gets imported. In Lightroom, look for the plus sign in the top left corner and click Add Photos. From here, you'll see import options. If you want just a few images, choose from Files. Then browse to the images on your computer, select them, and continue. If you want to bring in an entire folder, choose from Folder instead. That makes it easy to import everything at once without selecting each photo manually. After you choose your files or folder, Lightroom will take you to a review screen. This is where you can double-check everything before importing. When you're ready, click Review for Import, and then click Add Photos. Lightroom will start bringing the files into your library. If you have sync enabled, those photos will also upload to the Lightroom cloud and stay available across your devices. Now, it's important to understand where your photos go after importing. In Lightroom Desktop Cloud version, your images are stored in the Lightroom cloud, not just on your local computer. That means they can sync automatically if your account syncing is turned on. This is especially useful if you edit on multiple devices, because your library stays updated everywhere. If your photos are not showing up after import, the first thing to check is whether you're looking in the correct album or library view. Sometimes they import correctly, but you're simply viewing a different section. If the import feels slow, that can happen with large RAW files or when Lightroom is syncing a lot of data to the cloud. And if you see duplicate warnings, Lightroom is usually helping you by preventing the same file from being added twice. So to recap, the easiest way to import photos in Lightroom Desktop is either drag and drop for speed or use the Add Photos button for more control. Both methods are simple, both work well, and both will get your photos into Lightroom quickly. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials, and leave a comment if you want a follow-up guide on organizing or editing your imported photos.